Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must be a global admin or have Intune RBAC rights to change a device's primary user. First, open the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center and go to Devices All Devices. Locate the target device by name, serial, or IMEI, then click to open its properties. Once open, review the current primary user and check device compliance and enrollment type. Make sure the replacement user exists in Azure AD and has an Intune license assigned before continuing to avoid assignment failures. With the device blade open, choose Properties and find Primary User. Click Edit, search for the replacement user by UPN or display name and select them, then save. If the device is Azure AD joined or hybrid Azure AD, Intune updates the relationship automatically, but for personally owned devices, confirm user consent settings. Once saved, wait a few minutes and refresh the device record. Intune writes the new relationship and updates ownership and assignment targeting. Make sure the new primary user's license and policies apply cleanly. After saving, verify the new primary user in the device overview and check audit logs for the change event to confirm success. If the update doesn't appear, trigger a remote sync or restart the device to force inventory reconciliation. If still unresolved, inspect Azure AD. Ensure the target account is a user, not a guest, licensed for Intune and not blocked. One key troubleshooting tip: when ownership or scope tags prevent change, temporarily elevate your RBAC role or remove restrictive scope tags. Then retry the swap and reapply tags after.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.